Hello and welcome to Twist Fashion. Today we'll be making a red and ivory pillbox hat. What you will need is some ivory Sinamay. This is a scrap left over from cutting on the bias, so it's quite nice to reuse that bit without it going to waste. You need some red Sinamay to make your hat base, some red roses or fabric to make into roses. I've pre-bought these. A hairband or elastic if you prefer to use that as a fastening, and some super glue to stick your roses on, or you could just sew them on, and preferably a needle and thread as well. Okay, so to start off with, let's move those out of the way. Get your triangle and we're going to just fold the edges over so that we don't have any raw edges. Once you've done that, I'm going to just iron that into place and show you what the next step is. So after I ironed the sides, I folded it like a fan and ironed over the edges. Then I'm going to sort of fold it in the middle. Whatever looks good, you can do it that way or that way, whatever you prefer. I think for this one, maybe the other way. Yeah, that looks good. And then I'm going to stitch that on. And then we will add the roses. Actually, I'm going to stitch that on, then add the hairband, and then add the roses. So I'll be back in a minute when I've stitched that on with my needle and thread. So I've sewn the ivory fan onto the base, and I've also sewn on the hairband, and now I'm going to glue on the flowers. So I think one there, maybe one at the back, or there. Let me know what you think is best. And I'm just going to use, because that actually covers up the stitching of the hairband, which you can hardly see anyway, but might maybe put another rose there, because sometimes 3 is best for visual, but I quite like that you see a little bit of the base. Anyway, I'll show you on the model when it's finished. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and like it, and hopefully see you again soon.